strong windy conditions. Those gusts reaching up to 50 miles per hour yesterday sent a massive tree tumbling on top of a home in Montgomery County. Our Candace Cole has more from Chevy Chase.
A blustery wind sent trees crashing down to the ground and debris flying up in the air. Take a look here. You can see the remnants of a giant tree that fell on top of this home on Thornapple Street in Chevy Chase, leaving significant damage behind. Take a look at your screen. This massive 75-foot tree came crashing down on top of this home in Chevy Chase, blocking the road and taking with it a few power lines, making for a dangerous situation. And on MacArthur Boulevard, another tree blocked traffic between Picasso Lane and Falls Road in Potomac, also downing power lines and damaging a fire hydrant. Luckily, no one was injured in either incident, but power was cut for a while for neighbors living in those areas. And we want to stress staying safe if you encounter any downed power lines. If you're on foot and you run up on them, you'll want to make sure you keep both feet on the ground and quickly shuffle away to safety. And if you are in your car, stay put. Do not touch the frame or anything metal. Call for help and wait for someone to come get you to safety. Reporting in Chevy Chase, Candace Cole, DC News Now.